Old guinea fowl there, puffing up the feathers. Don't see many of them. Just chirping away, got plenty to say. Like I say, do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields. How do I know? A little birdie told me so. Again, see Prince Harry the Spare for details. Yeah, the old pheasants there. And again, in the past they used to hunt peasants as well as pheasants. So human hunting is not a new thing. Again, I do come from Romney Gypsy, Willoughby's Kent, Walker's London. There's a hare there. Sometimes you certainly do have to run. Innocent men do have to run. As they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields. There's a big bird of prey there. Just gone into the sun. They did used to hunt Romney gypsies. You did get a price for the head of a Romney gypsy. So human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, harvesting adrenochrome, sex trafficked children, young girls, women and the homeless. So, certainly plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine.